Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the workbook you want to flip to right to left. Make a quick backup now. You will change layout properties. Once saved, check Excel language and proofing settings. If you need Arabic or Hebrew support, install that language pack. This enables directional controls. Then focus on the active worksheet. You will change sheet direction without altering cell data. Make sure you're on the sheet tab you intend to modify before moving to the next step. Now change the sheet direction. You can go File, Options, Advanced, and find display options for this workbook. Toggle Show Sheet right to left. Alternatively, use the ribbon, Home, Format, Sheet right to left, or Page Layout, right to left depending on your Excel version. Once done, column moves to the right edge and navigation reverses logically. Make sure to apply only to the active sheet if you want selective change, otherwise repeat for each tab. Finish by reviewing all dependent features. Formulas, filters, and freeze panes can behave differently when columns reorder. Adjust table styles, chart axes, and print area so labels read correctly. Once satisfied, save the workbook. If something looks wrong, revert to your backup copy and confirm the language pack is installed and your Excel build supports sheet-level right to left. As a quick troubleshooting step, toggle the setting off and on again or restart Excel. This often resolves caching or ribbon visibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.